Oh my gosh, y'all. I am so excited. So, yes, this is going to be a little bit of a different video than what my content normally is, but, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So, I have kind of recently, I guess, in the past few months, have been collecting different decks and everything. My first tarot deck and my only tarot deck other than today is the Game of Thrones tarot, and I have been looking for that perfect deck for a little bit. And I love my Game of Thrones tarot, but I wanted something a little bit different, and then I found this. There's another deck that I really want to get, the True Black tarot deck. It's phenomenally gorgeous, but I really wanted this one as well. And I looked here on YouTube and couldn't really find a good video that, you know, had decent quality lighting to where you could really see the cards good. So I thought that I would film an unboxing of the Luminous Spirit tarot deck. I'm so excited, y'all. So as you can see, you got the hollow there, got this pretty bird. I may start doing some tarot unboxings on here, but don't worry, I will still have my planner related content. This is just a little bit different than the norm. So anyway, 78 cards. There is also a tarot app that I have downloaded, and it is a really cool resource for learning the cards. I've got the Labyrinthos app as well as the Luminous Spirit app. It's available on Android and iPhone, so I would really recommend, even if you don't have a tarot deck, you can do it digitally. It's a really cool app, so I'll leave links to all that down below. But anyway, so this is a 78 card tarot deck. Beautiful box. Let's talk about the shipping. The shipping for this was super fast, and the shipping notifications that I got from Labyrinthos, because that is the company that shipped this out, you can download the app there. But this they also have other tarot decks. Sorry if I'm stumbling on my words, but I'm just so excited. Anyway, they do have other decks available. They've got this gorgeous black deck that has got gold foil on it, and then this one, and then others. So anyway, super fast shipping. I think I ordered this on Tuesday or Wednesday, and it is Saturday, and it just got in the mail. So very fast shipping. Very happy about that. So let's open her up. Oh, no, that's not the cards themselves. So this is a different kind of box. Wasn't really expecting that. Very nice box though. Look at that hollow, y'all. Oh my God. That hollow. Okay. All right, so the first thing that I see here is the Luminous Spirit Tarot deck. It is, it gives you the meanings of all of them. I knew there wasn't a guidebook, but I'm glad that they included this little sheet in here just to kind of talk about. So you've got the major arcana, wands, cups, swords, pentacles, and then a couple of tarot spreads that you can do. It's just very basic. I'll be using this with my book, Modern Tarot by Michelle T. I really like that guidebook, but I think this is really nice to add in there. And we've got the cards. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I have been waiting for this, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go through the cards one by one. As a disclaimer, there is a lot of nudity in this deck. So just be forewarned, a lot of nudity. So here we've got the Fool, The Magician. She's beautiful. High Priestess. The Empress. Emperor. She's beautiful. I love the artwork in this. Justice. The Death card is very different. I don't know how I feel about that. Just with the baby. Temperance. Devil. Judgment. I like the minimalist style of these. There's a lot of hairs on these cards. I know that can't be from me. And I like that they use different ethnicities in here too. Is that supposed to? No, okay. There's like hairs on, or some kind of fibers on like every card. The artwork in here is just absolutely beautiful. I knew that I wanted something that was, you know, not too terribly colorful. That's something that I kind of like about the GOT deck, is that it's not just super colorful. It's kind of like dull colors. I really like it, but I really love the kind of minimalist look of these. I don't know, it's just something about this that really spoke to me. And it's not just the hollow, though that did help a lot. But I just like the simple lines with black and gray shading, all that kind of stuff. I'm thoroughly impressed by this deck. And the cardstock is pretty thick too. I think it'll be fairly easy to shuffle. And they're kind of like almost like a semi-gloss maybe. They're not super shiny, but they're not matte either. Definitely would keep these away from any kind of a liquid. It feels very much like a normal playing card to me, just thicker. Hope I'm not going too terribly fast. Love how they have the crystals coming out of their heads. That's awesome. Definitely not an expert by any means on tarot. I'm learning, but yeah. Love the birds. Is this normal? Any of y'all have this deck have a lot of hair on it? Or fibers? I'm not entirely sure what that is. It's like every card. Sorry if that's distracting. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just freaking threw them. I wanted to go ahead and get all this mess off of there. That's a very sad card. I've pulled the Ten of Swords a couple of times, so I completely understand the meaning behind the artwork. So it looks like this deck goes along with the Rider-Waite system, which is what I'm familiar with. So I think it'll be super easy to use this deck with a bigger guidebook like Modern Tarot, because I know just when I first started reading that book, she said that she was going to stick with the Rider-Waite system, so it'll be very easy. With the GOT Tarot deck, the Pentacles, is it a suit? Anyway, the Pentacles are Queens, and you've got Spears for Wands. So it took me a minute to figure that out, but it's okay. And I know that there are some decks that, you know, kind of divert away from the Rider-Waite system. And last card. I cannot wait to work with this. I hope this video was helpful for y'all, just to kind of determine whether you would like to get this deck for yourself. Like I said, I'm not going to be like a huge collector of decks, but you know, I've got my GOT Tarot, and then I've got a couple of Oracle decks that I really like to work with, which I may end up doing a video on, just showing the different cards in my Sacred Rebels deck. So if y'all would like to see that, stay tuned, and I will put that up sometime in the next few weeks, as well as going over Moonology. That's another deck that I have. I've got a Wild Medicine Oracle deck coming in. I cannot remember the name of it exactly. And then, like I said, I will be getting the True Black Tarot. So anyway, I will definitely be putting some videos up. Like, I cannot get enough of this holo. So overall, this deck is gorgeous. Other than the strange hairs, see, there's deck's definitely not perfect, but that's fine for me. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you here, even if you're just here for the tarot, but you may be interested in planners and stuff like that. That's my, I guess, normal content that I put out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.